came to you weary, worn and afraid, carrying sickness I couldn't explain. Doctors had words but no relief. My body was weak, my faith was thin. Night after night I cried alone, as pain made a home in my bones. But somewhere inside the suffering, your promise was whispering. You saw every tear before it fell. You knew my story too well. You walked the road of suffering first, so my pain would never be wasted. You bore the straps upon your back, so I wouldn't have to live like that. And even when I couldn't feel, you were still my healing. You carried my sickness, you carried my pain. You didn't turn away. By his wounds I am healed, by his stripes I am free. What the cross has spoken is stronger than what I see. By his wounds I am healed, this is my testimony. Jesus paid it all for me, and I believe. There were days I could barely stand, moments I didn't understand. Why the waiting felt so long, why the night outlasted the song. But faith grew quietly in the dark, hope was rising in my heart. Because your word does not return until healing has come. You carried my sickness, you carried my pain. You did not carry it in vain. By his wounds I am healed, by his stripes I am free. What the cross has spoken is stronger than what I see. By his wounds I am healed, this is my testimony. Jesus paid it all for me, and I believe. I receive your healing, I receive your peace, I receive the life you purchased when you bled for me. Not by feelings, not by sight, but by faith in Jesus Christ. Pain has a limit, sickness must bow. The blood of Jesus is speaking now. What was broken is being restored, because you carried it. Lord, by his wounds I am healed. My body agrees with the truth of heaven and the work you finished for me. By his wounds I am healed. I will stand and declare the same power that raised you is healing me right here. I am whole. By the blood of Jesus I am restored. I may still be walking it out, but my healing is already done. Because the cross has spoken clearly, it is finished, child. You're whole by him.